guys, I'm out of kids, so I thought I'd have a different special guest for you today. This is Dixie. I showed you a picture of her when we were reading that story not long before we left. So she's a cat, so we all know how their attention spans and their attitudes are, so she may not be here for very long. But I just wanted you to be able to see another little part of my life. So, all right, today's activity is back to math. I'm trying to go every other day, kind of give you a word reading lesson, then math, back and forth. So we're going to do math, and I think you're going to like it because I've got a little hint for you. Does that make you figure, oh, she's going to go now, I can tell. Oh, maybe she's going to settle in. Wait, oh, maybe, okay. All right, so nope, there she went. All right, so we have two kinds of clocks. We have the analog clock that we use in the classroom at carpet time, and then you have a digital clock, which you're going to see most around your home, probably on your cable box, on your phone, on a Fitbit or some kind of tracker that you wear on your wrist. Those are digital clocks where they just state the hour first, then the colon, and then the minutes. But we do need to know how to read the analog clock because they are still out there, and we need to make sure we understand them. So just a little review. We have 3 hands on this clock. Okay, so we have the shortest hand, which is the hour hand. What's our clue for that? What's our trick? Hour is the shortest word. Hour is the shortest hand. And then we have the minute hand, which goes all the way past those big numbers to the little marks along the edge, along the outside. And minute's the longest word. It's the longest hand. This other one we have on our classroom clock, but we don't usually practice it in our book or anything else. That's the second hand, and that one moves really fast. It goes all the way around in 1 minute. So we don't use that one too much now, but you do need to understand what it is. All right, so right now on my clock, I'm going to fix it a little bit. It's not quite as easy to move as the one in our classroom. I have the hour hand pointing straight at a number and the minute hand straight up. When we have that, it's a new hour, and we just look at the hour hand to see which number it's pointing at. So this time would be, all right, 11 o'clock. Then, if I move that minute hand halfway around and make that minute hand point straight down, it went halfway and the hour hand moved halfway. So now we have half past the 11 or 11:30. So remember, whenever the hour hand is between two numbers, you almost always pick the smaller number. The only one that breaks that rule is between 12 and 1. So we're going to practice some times. Now, we've gotten really good at the hours and the half hours. So we're going to go ahead and mix it up just like we do at the carpet. I'm not going to write on the board because I can't hear your guesses, but please go ahead and shout out what time you think it is, and we will see how you do. Here we go. Round and around and around it goes. I'm going to have to sing it a couple times. Where it stops, nobody knows. All right, so there is your time. Hopefully, Abby, you're zooming in. All right, take a look. Start by looking at the hour hand. Then look at the minute hand. You might want to jot down what time you think it is or just remember it. All right, we have the hour hand past the 12, but not to the 1 yet. So it's 12 o'clock. We go to the minute hand. It's almost to that mark that's with the 5. So if we start up at the top and we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, we can't count another 5 because it's not there yet. 21, 22, 23, 24. This time is 12:24. How'd you do? Awesome. Here we go. Round and around and around it goes. Where it stops, I don't even know because I'm not looking. Whoop. There we go. Okay, she's going to zoom in. Take a look at the hour hand. Take a look at the minute hand. Here we go. The time is, it's pretty much at the 1. It hasn't moved very much. So it's 1 o'clock, and then it went 5, 10, and it went one more little click. So if we add 1 minute to 10 minutes, it's 11 minutes. So 1:11. How'd you do? Here we go. Round and around and around it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Ooh, let me fix it just a tad. All right, take a peek. Hour hand first, then the minute. Here we go. The hour hand is halfway past that 2. The minute hand is almost straight down. Well, it's a little bit messed up. Let me fix it just a tad. should be right there. Almost straight down, but it's 1 minute before it. So if straight down means 30, what would 1 minute before that be? So we have 2:29. How'd you do? Here we go. Round and around and around it goes where it stops. Nobody knows. Perfect. All right, figure it out. The hour hand is almost to the 4, but it's not there
yet.
See, did you say it? I knew you would. And the minute hand has gone past the 8. So let's figure out how many minutes it takes to get to the 8. It goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, but it kept going, 41, 42. So we have 3:42. Here we go. Round and around and around it goes where it stops. Nobody knows. It's hard to move this one. Trying not to make them all exactly the same. All right, figure it out. Okay, on the count of 3, tell me what time it is. 1, 2, 3. 5:30. Here we go. Round and around and around it goes where it stops. Nobody knows. How's that? That was not bad. 3, 2, 1. What time is it? 7:09. 7:09. All right, let's do a couple more, and then we're gonna take off, sign off for today. Round and around and around it goes where it stops. Oh, the cat's coming back. Oh, nope, she's attacking the couch. Oh no, what is she attacking, Abby?
I don't know.
Trash. I bet that's from a birthday because it was under the couch.
It probably was.
All right, where it stops, nobody knows. There it is. There it is. 3, 2, and you can pause the video if I count too fast. 1, go. It is almost to the 10, but not there yet. 9:45. And a faster way to get to this number is, since we're on this side of that 6, we know the 6 is 30 minutes. So start counting at the 6 and goes 35, 40, 45. So it is 9:45. Here we go. Round and around and around it goes. My finger. Where it stops, nobody knows. Don't be tricked. Don't get tricked. Abby says I'm being too tricky.
Yes.
I'm not too tricky for you guys, though. 3, 2, 1. What time is it? It is, looks like it's at the 11, but it's just before making it straight up to the 11 o'clock. So it is 10:58. It's 2 minutes before that straight up, so it's 58. All right, last one. Here we go. Round and around. And around it goes.
This cat.
Where it stops, nobody knows. I'll tell you what, there's one thing you can tell is it's real life here.
Our cat is insane. She's not one of those lazy cats.
Here we go.
She's playful.
3, 2, 1. 12:15. All right, thanks guys for playing with me. I don't know if you have a clock like that at your house, but I was looking on my phone before we started this video to see if there's a way to change the clock on your phone to an analog clock, but there are apps. I did find that. So if you have a tablet, or if you have an iPod or something else like that, you could download one of those apps and practice your time. See you tomorrow.